Crypto dumping. But why? Guys, this morning I woke up to find Bitcoin under 20,000 US dollars. And that's no surprise because there's so many reasons. If you're watching social media, you'll just see that there's no shortage of reasons why the cryptocurrency market is dumping. Let's start off with the economy. We all know that the economy in general is in a bad state, and that not only affects the crypto market, but it affects every market. In addition to that, we've got rumors. In fact, we know that they're factual, that the US government is dumping large amounts of Bitcoin on the market. These Bitcoin come from the Silk Road, and that is increasing selling pressure in the cryptocurrency markets. And as we know, increased selling pressure causes the price to go down. In addition to that, we've got the FUD and the rumors about the Mt. Gox payout. Now, guys, I personally have a Mt. Gox claim, and I don't place much value in that because I know how little the people are being paid out. And I personally think that this is going to take a long time before the payout actually happens. And a lot of those people are OGs in the crypto space, and they're not simply going to dump their coins, just simply my opinion. And I dismiss that story as not much value behind it. In addition to that, the Ethereum, the Shanghai upgrade is going to come out, and people are going to be able to unlock their staked crypto. And there's a lot of people that are thinking that that is going to cause excessive sell pressure in the Ethereum market. Personally, I also think that those are people that are OG in the crypto space. They know what they're doing. They're at the level where they can actually stake the Ethereum. So I'd like to dismiss that as not of too much concern to myself. Something that I do think that is going to cause, or has maybe already been factored in, is the fact that the Fed is meeting on the 21st and the 22nd of March, and the inflation figures that we've seen are higher than expected, higher than what the Fed wanted, which means that the Fed is more than likely going to raise the interest rate, which we know has a negative effect on not only the crypto markets, but all markets. So we can expect a little bit of a downturn around about that time, 21st, 22nd of March. But something that is more dire, something that I think is more serious, and something that we have seen in South Africa, is banking partners leaving the crypto space. I'm talking specifically about silvergate declaring voluntary liquidation. I believe that this is part of the fallout of the FTX fiasco, and that is going to be the story of this morning's video. We're going to dive into that in a little bit more detail. Good morning, everybody. Before we do that, let's have a quick look at the crypto market and see what type of carnage has happened overnight. We can see Bitcoin is trading under 20,000 US dollars at 19,977, just slightly under. We're hoping that it will recover. We've got Ethereum at 1,410 US dollars. And then we've got Polygon under $1 or Matic, which just shows that the altcoins are taking a hammering with the main cryptos. On Altcoin Trader, it was only yesterday that we had Bitcoin over the 400,000 Rand mark, and now it's down to 376,000. We've got Ethereum trading at 26,600 odd Rand. So certainly big downturn in the crypto markets overnight. Now let's get on to this morning's story. Breaking news, Bitcoin slips under 20,000 amidst Silvergate collapse. Now, Silvergate was a crypto-friendly bank, okay? And guys, we've seen banking partners leave the crypto space. If we just have a look here, we can see I made a video just over 3 years ago about FNB shuts down crypto exchange bank accounts. And then I made a video about Nedbank to exit the crypto space. We also know that Absa left the crypto space. Standard Bank, kudos to them. They are the only bank that is currently supporting cryptocurrency in South Africa. So South Africans are no strangers to big banking institutions exiting the crypto space. And we see that overseas there is now a similar trend, but we've never seen a bank declaring voluntary liquidation. You see, there's a big difference between a bank leaving the crypto space and a bank basically going bankrupt. We don't know how much funds the big exchanges, Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, had in Silvergate, and we don't know if they're going to get those funds back. And that is what worries me about this headline. That is something that I think is reasonably concerning. I think that in the next couple of days, weeks, or possibly months, we will have more answers and we'll understand the full effect of the Silvergate liquidation. just something I wanted to put on everyone's radar, something that I wanted to make a video about. I do believe that this is part of the FTX fiasco, and it has caused Silvergate to end up in this position. Now, guys, this is not the first cryptocurrency dump that we've seen, and it's certainly not going to be the last. There's going to be many times of a depression and euphoria in this crypto journey, and only those that have got the stomach and the guts for it will be able to come out victorious in the end. Just in closing, I wanted to show you this meme, typical of what we're seeing right now. Nobody wants to touch Bitcoin when it's down and it's low, but as soon as we reach the all-time highs, we're going to see people queuing out the door to buy the expensive Bitcoin. Make sure that you don't follow the crowd and that you're not a sheep. Of course, never financial advice, but guys, I certainly don't think that cryptocurrency is in any way, shape, or form dead. I am extremely optimistic midterm and long term for cryptocurrency. That's it from me. I'm out.